Good morning, Bearcats. This video is for anyone who is online. Today we are going to be learning something new. We are going to be learning about illusion. So I'm going to start with a quick mini lesson that you are going to watch. It'll help you a little bit, and then I will show you what your work is going to be for today. So first thing, illusions. What is an illusion? An allusion is a word or phrase in a text that alludes to or a person, place, thing, or event from mythology, history, the Bible, or classic works of literature. So, what this means is it's a reference to something. So, sometimes an author will include a description of a character or an event in a story, and it will refer to something from a different story. And there is a vocabulary video right here for you to watch, and I will include this PowerPoint slides for you, but I cannot watch it on here or YouTube will flag my video. So make sure you watch that vocabulary video. So next, it's how to figure out what the illusion means. So first, you have to identify the well-known reference. Then you go to think about what does this reference mean and use your background knowledge. And then you're going to infer what the illusion means as it is used in the story. So I've given 4 examples that we are going to walk through. So the first one is from mythology. Okay. His Herculean strength amazed the others when he could lift the car by himself. So first we have to identify the well-known phrase, which is Herculean strength. Okay. Then we have to think about what does that mean? It means strength. Somebody's really super strong. So this is telling us that this person or this character is really strong because they could lift the car by himself. The next one is from history. The student was a regular Einstein. The well-known phrase is Einstein. Okay, if you know background knowledge on Einstein, Einstein is a very well-known scientist. He was very smart. So by referring to the student as Einstein, we are saying that the student is very smart. Okay. Some may be familiar with, some may not, or come from the Bible. So he was a good Samaritan when he gave the old lady a ride home. So the well-known phrase is good Samaritan. A good Samaritan is someone who is a helpful person. So by giving this old lady a ride home, we are saying that this person or character was a good Samaritan. Okay. And the last one is going to be classic literature, and this could be from a story. Sometimes we hear a lot of Disney movies we will see in this. So this one is going to be a little bit different because it doesn't actually have the illusion. We have to figure out the reference. So he lied so often, it's a miracle that he doesn't have an 8-foot nose. So in this one, it's referring to Pinocchio, but it doesn't actually have Pinocchio in here. So our well-known reference would be an 8-foot nose. And we know that Pinocchio lies a lot, and every time that he lies, his nose grows. So by this, it's saying this person lies a lot. So if he were Pinocchio, he would have a very long nose. So that was a quick intro to that. So for your work today, you are going to start by doing guess what the phrase means. So you are going to be doing all of these. If you were in class, we are doing these as table groups. So it's unfortunately going to be a little bit more work for you at home, but this is what we are doing in class as well. So you have 8 well-known phrases right here. What you are going to do is you are going to read it, write the well-known reference, and then tell me what does it mean. So example number 1, my socks remind me of SpongeBob's face. So what is the well-known reference? Right here, I would type SpongeBob. Okay, what does it mean? Well, think about what you know about SpongeBob. SpongeBob's face is very holy. He's got hole all over it. So this is saying that the socks are full of holes. So my well-known reference would be SpongeBob's face. What does it mean? My socks have a lot of holes in them. Okay, and then you are going to do the rest for 2 through 8. And then the independent work that we are doing today is going to be on something called Easel. This is something new. So what you will do is you will click on Easel and yours will look maybe a little bit different than mine. If it asks you to log in, you will use your student email. So I can't do it because mine is in teacher mode. So what you guys will do is you'll log in with your school email, and then if you're having trouble, you can just email me and I will help you. So what you are going to do is write or read this story right here, and you are going to highlight 3 illusions that you see. There are 3 of them. So what you will do is you'll come over here, there's this highlight tool, and you can make it thinner, thicker, change the color, and you're gonna come through and highlight your 3. Once you've done that, over here on the other side, you're gonna type what the illusion is and what you think it means. So you can just click text box, you come over here and just start typing like that, okay? And then at the bottom it says write a story or an ending for the story. You do not have to do that, okay? And then once you are done, you will click turn in. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I know this was a quick video. I'm running really late this morning. I apologize. But if you have any questions, please feel free to email me and I will help you out with those. Have a great day, guys.